last day in Vancouver today. Actually, last hours, because we are going, well, I'm going on exchange to Amsterdam.
I'm just going home.
I feel so naked without my lashes right now, but you know what we're gonna do on that plane? We're gonna pass out, so I'll put on lashes once I get to the airport there.
Bye. I'll see you when you're back. It'll be like tomorrow.
Honestly, this flight is, I'm sorry, they give you like noise canceling headphones, they give you like a blanket and everything, and it's so nice. They gave us a Haagen-Dazs for dessert.
Careful with the bicycles. Yeah.
These around the cobblestone streets. Girl, literally, thank God there's an elevator. I was gonna cry if I had to carry this up 3 flights of stairs. We made it! Oh my gosh, wow. Ah! This is so cute. I moved in August. Right now it is mid-December and I'm finally getting around to filming the room tour. I waited until it was a nice sunny day, but now it is 4 p.m. and the sun is almost setting. But nonetheless, here is my room in Amsterdam as well as a neighborhood tour. Okay, so when you come in, you're greeted with the Trader Joe's bags that I use for shopping, as well as the Uniqlo bag that is so useful for fitting everything when traveling. Over here we have the kitchen. I brought a Brita filter from home because the water tastes a little funky here. And then there's the stovetop, and I just also leave my plates in here to dry. And then up here is the rest of the utensils as well as what the previous tenants left. So moving on, we have this fancy microwave with lots of settings. And the magnets from Paris. Oh, I love that place so much. And then here I have my snack, spices, and medication cabinet. We have the fridge and this little freezer. It's not quite stocked right now because I'm going to London in 3 days. But here is its current state. And turning to the other side, we have all the clothing. So I got a little shower basket and I highly recommend this. I use this here, I use this at home to just kind of like carry all your stuff to the shower at once instead of taking individual things or leaving individual things there because it's a shared bathroom situation. And here's all the clothes. Just folded everything up to save some space, but sometimes I do forget which clothes I have. And then over here we have all the skincare and makeup good. Alright, let's go into the room. My bed is very stripped right now. Today is laundry day, but one of our machines is out of order, so it's been pretty busy and the laundry's just been sitting here. Here is where all the studying happens. Bert is very studious right now. And here is some of the miscellaneous decor. And then on the board here, I've just pinned some memories and postcards from the different countries that I've had the chance to travel to. Chair. And then this shelf for the jewelry, as well as the miscellaneous things. Next, moving on to the view. I absolutely love this view. I think it's gorgeous. And the lights are so nice. I love lighting them up for a little cozy vibe for a movie night. And then in this hallway here, that's our main door. And then we have a separate bathroom and then a separate room for the shower. Here is our shower room. This heater is very nice, especially during the winter. And then here is the toilet. So that was the room, and now moving on to the neighborhood tour. So this residence is located pretty much in the heart of downtown, which is why when you step outside, it's all pretty canals and gorgeous architecture. And 5 minutes down is the Anne Frank Museum, so it's pretty much always pretty crowded around this area. And then when I was filming this, it was the Amsterdam Lights Festival. This was one of my favorite installations. And then a short walk away, maybe 10 minutes, was Dam Square. So the absolute center of shopping, of all the tourist attractions. I feel very, very lucky to live here, and there's always so much to do around the place. To like, comment, and subscribe.